In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Visa gift card to PayPal. First, make sure you're already signed into your PayPal account in a web browser. Starting from your main account page, you'll be on what PayPal calls your dashboard or account summary. This is the page where you normally see your balance, recent activity, and shortcuts to common actions. From here, look towards the top of the page for the option labeled Wallet. Go ahead and click on Wallet. The Wallet section is where PayPal keeps all your funding sources together, like your bank accounts, debit cards, credit cards, and in this case, your Visa gift card. Once the Wallet page loads, you'll see any payment methods you've already added. What you want to do now is look for a button or link that says Link a Card or Bank. Click on that. This is PayPal's main entry point for adding new ways to pay. On the next screen, PayPal will give you different options. Because a Visa gift card behaves like a regular card in their system, choose the option that says Link a Credit Card. Don't worry that it says credit card specifically. Most Visa gift cards can be added the same way as standard Visa cards. You'll now see a form where you can enter the details from your gift card. Click into the card number field and carefully type in the long number printed on the front of your Visa gift card. Double check that there are no typos, because a single wrong digit will cause PayPal to reject it. Next, click into the expiration date field and enter the expiry month and year exactly as shown on the card. This tells PayPal how long the card is valid for. After that, click into the CVV field. This is the 3-digit security code usually found on the back of the card. Type those 3 digits in carefully, as this is used to verify that you physically have the card. Below that, you'll see a billing address drop-down menu. Open the drop-down and select the correct billing address for this card. Many gift cards require you to register a billing address on the issuer's website first. So if you get an error, you may need to confirm or update that information with the card provider. Once all the details look correct, click on the button labeled Link Card. PayPal will process the information, and if everything matches, your Visa gift